Hi, my name is Bill, and today I'm going to be showing you how to replace the screw that goes in your timer on your washer. The reason why you would have to do this is because the screw is damaged or missing. For this repair, we'll be using a 3/16 inch nut driver, a 1/4 inch nut driver, a Phillips head screwdriver, and a pair of needle nose pliers. Warning: before doing any repairs, please disconnect your power source. So this is the washer we'll be using in this demonstration. It's an Amana, and yours might be a little bit different than what we've got here, but the same technique should still apply. So in order to get that off, we're going to have to turn our washer around and take some screws out. So in order to get the control console off, we're going to have to undo 4 screws. We've got these 2 screws up here, and then 2 screws that are inside right there. We're going to start with our 1/4 inch nut driver, and we're going to remove this screw here. Now I'm going to use a Phillips head screwdriver to remove the other 2 screws. There we go. And these screws actually don't come out of there. They kind of just stay right there. Now that those screws are out, what we can do is push our console forward and just lean it down now. Now you'll see right here there's a plastic piece inside of our timer. And what we have to do is grab that with a pair of needle nose pliers. If you just pull out the timer by itself, you'll see that that piece goes inside of the timer. So before we do that, you're just going to grab on and hold with needle nose pliers. And as you're holding it with those pliers, you're going to pull out the knob. So now we can get the timer dial off. And that just pulls straight off. Now we can get this screw out. And to get it out, we're going to be using a 3/16 inch nut driver. Now you can grab your new OEM replacement screw. If you don't have one already, you can find it on our online store. Now we can put the screw back into place. So if you take a look on the back of our timer dial, you'll see in one of these there's a grooved slot. And it's got this piece that sticks out, and that's going to go into the slot right here on the knob, as well as these 3 pieces right here that are going to clip on. There's going to be 3 pieces right here where the dial is going to clip on. So we're going to make sure those all line up, and then it'll push straight on and clip in. So looking at the back of our timer knob, you can see that it's a bit of an oval shape, so you're just going to want to line that up with this piece right here. That's going to stick out and it's going to clip back into place. And now that you've got it pushed in all the way, when you pull it out, it'll be stuck in place, and you can't get the knob off again unless you're holding on to the back with that pair of pliers like we did earlier, because it's got that locking mechanism in order to keep it from coming off. So we'll push that in. Now we're going to put our console back into place, and we're going to slide the top over the metal here, just like that. And you're going to want to make sure that the straps are on the outside so you can screw them back in. As you do this, you're also going to want to make sure that the clips on the bottom of the console are inside the bottom holes right here. Now we can screw everything back in. There we go. And once you've got those screwed in, you can turn everything back around, plug it back in, and your repair is complete. Finally, don't forget to plug in your appliance. If you need to replace any parts for your appliances, you can find an OEM replacement part on our website, PCApplianceRepair.com. Thanks for watching, and please don't forget to like, comment, and share our video. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Your support helps us make more videos just like these for you to watch for free.